Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Courtney Costello. If you're new here, please subscribe. Today I filmed my everyday makeup look. This is a really pretty summer look. This makeup should last all day, so if you're going to be out during the day and you don't want your makeup to melt off, and this is the perfect makeup look for that. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Start with a clean, moisturized face. I'm using Benefit Porefessional to fill in any enlarged pores and to create a smooth surface to apply the foundation onto. I'm applying Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Buff Beige with a damp beauty sponge. I applied self-tan on my body, so I'm matching the color to my body rather than my face. So I just use a darker foundation to match with my neck and body. To fill in the brows, I'm going to be trying Kat Von D's Signature Brow Pencil in the shade Granite. I'm not a huge fan of this brow pencil. I prefer the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer, which I ended up having to put over top of this afterwards. To clean up above the brow, I'm using the same foundation I applied on the face, and under the brow I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade Sand, which is lighter than the foundation so that it provides a bit of highlight underneath the brow. I'm setting the entire lid with MERCIER Translucent Setting Powder with a Sephora Blending Shadow Brush. With the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel, I'm just setting all those brown hairs in place. In the crease with the Urban Decay Shadow Brush from the Naked palette, I'm using the shade Warm Taupe from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. From the outer corner to the inner corner, back and forth, really blending it out. You're going to want to really take your time with this step. I'm using the shade Tempera to highlight the brow bone and also to blend into that crease color that we just applied. On the lid, I'm applying with the Sephora Precision Shadow Brush, the shade Golden Ochre. With a smudge brush, I'm stamping the shade Cypress Umber on the upper lash line. Stay as tight to the lash line as possible, starting at the outer corner, and then sweeping any extra product into the inner corner, keeping the darkest part of the shadow on the outer corner. To brighten up that inner corner, I'm going to apply Primavera. It's a gold shimmer shade, and I'm using the shadow brush that came with the Modern Renaissance palette. Next, curl the lashes and then apply some mascara. I'm using my favorite at the moment, Loreal Lash Paradise. I'm applying the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade Sand under the eyes, also under the nose to cover any redness and also covering any blemishes. Then also I'm going to apply on the bridge of the nose in the middle of the forehead, which just creates a highlight effect, and I'm going to blend that out with a damp beauty sponge. I'm setting the concealer with the MERCIER Translucent Powder. The sponge I found at Target by Sonia Keshuk. I don't like it for blending foundation or concealer, but it's great for applying powder. It's a lot softer than the other beauty sponges I have, and it really soaks up product, so it makes it so the powder doesn't cake up. On the lower lash line, I'm using a smudge brush and Cypress Umber again and stamping and sweeping that into the lower lash line. Now with a Morphe E36 brush, I'm going in with a little bit of warm taupe and just sweeping that underneath the dark brown color just to smooth it out. With a Sephora small contour brush, I'm using Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer as a contour into the cheeks along the jawline, and I will also use this on the nose with a Morphe E36. With a fan brush, I'm applying Becca Mineral Blush in Flowerchild on the apples of the cheeks. To highlight, I'm mixing Becca Champagne Pop and Wet n Wild Precious Petals. Champagne Pop is a golden highlight and Precious Petals is a pinky highlight. Mixed together, they look beautiful. They look great alone, but they really just make each other pop. On the lips, I'm using Tarte Color Splash lipstick in the shade Colada. This has been my go-to lip product lately. I really love the natural nude color of this. If you're going to be wearing an outfit where your shoulders and your collarbones are exposed, I like to apply highlight on the collarbones and the tops of the shoulders as well, just to give some extra glow. Then to set it all, I am spritzing with Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give this video a like. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.